Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. On today's exciting episode, we have another head-to-head for you. We have the Ridgid 6-speed Octane Impact Driver against the Skil 3-speed Brushless Impact Driver. Stick around the end, I'll let you know which one comes out on top, and if it's worth your money or not. Hit that intro. So the first test, we're going to use the 2.0 on the Ridgid. We're going to use the 2.0 on the Skil. Both are fully charged up. I know it's bright out here. I know we always have trouble seeing the battery indicator. Trust me, they're full. See that? Alright, so we'll put this on high, speed 3. Alright, there we go. We're going to be doing the 5-inch thicker spac screws. So the Skil got just a smidgen with the standard 2 amp-hour battery on the Ridgid. Let's take them out and try the smaller, skinnier, but they're 6-inch spac screws. We'll do the Skil in the right, cobalt in, the, whatever this is in the left. Ready? Ready, get set. Skil got that one. Switching. Get set. That time, I'm going to swap the batteries out. Fully charged up battery on the Skil. For the Ridgid, we're going to use a 3 since I don't have a 4. Fully charged up. This one will do Ridgid in the right, Skil in the left. See if there's a difference with the bigger batteries. Ready? Go. That's pretty close. I want to say it was a tie. This eked ahead, and this caught up, and then it was just neck and neck. We're going to have to check the footage on that one. I checked the instant replay, and the Skil snuck ahead by a freaking 2 millimeters, won that last one. So let's switch hands. The Ridgid still full bars, guys, and the Skil still has full bars, guys. Let's try it one more time. There's a slight delay on the Skil when you pull the trigger. Watch. See, it's like a half-second delay. For the Ridgid, it's instant. So I'm going to pull the trigger on the Skil first, just so it catches up to the Ridgid. Ready? Go. Skil took that one. That's crazy. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow. I want to say Skil got it again. Guys, that's crazy. I am on speed 3. See? 3. Auto. 3A. And this is, you can see it, low, high. All right, winner takes all, guys. Down 1 bar on the Ridgid. Still full bars on the Skil. Ready, set. I think that was a tie. I sunk the Ridgid slightly deeper, but I think they hit at the same time. Get set. Tie. Okay guys, just for fun, we'll do a time test, see who can sink these 4 smaller specs the fastest. You ready? Okay, start the clock. Ready, go. Oh, look at that. See, I hate this bit. Ready, go. Not too shabby. All right, Skil. 4 bolts the fastest. On your works. Get set. Go. See, there's like a delay in the Skil. Now listen. And that's on high. That's the right mode. So. All right, let's go over the weights real quick. We'll weigh the Ridgid with the 3 on it. That's probably what you'll use it. 4 pounds, 1 ounce. So not bad, it's slightly over 4 pounds. The Skil, we'll weigh it with the 2, well, we'll do it with both. 4.17, so they're the exact same weight. Got the 4 on and the 3 on. All right, price point, guys. They had the special going for the last like 4 months on this. Right now, I think you can still get the 2 3s with the charger in the bag, and then this for $149 at Home Depot. I got this on eBay for, I won the auction, like $55, bare tool, brand new. So that's pretty sweet. The Skil on Amazon, I forget how much is bare tool. It's like $120. It comes with the 2 and the charger. I'll put links down below, guys, for all the stuff. You can check it out, help out the channel if you're interested. Let's see, what else? I like them both. I really like the Ridgid. When I first reviewed this, probably almost a year ago, I wasn't a big fan of it, but now I like it. I don't change your mind on stuff. Let's go over the speeds here. First gear is 0 to 700 RPMs. Second gear, 0 to 2200, and third is 0 to 3000. Yeah, and then impacts per minute is 3,900 impacts per minute, guys. And then it has the additional bolt settings, different fastener settings. We'll go over that later. The Skil. Does it say the impacts per minute? So the Skil, all I have is 2,700 RPMs. I will see if I can find the impacts per minute. It's got to be pretty comparable to the Cobalt, because technically it's the exact same thing, but newer. Yeah, guys, so the new Cobalt, if you've seen the preview, it's like the XRT line. It's going to be the exact same as the Skil, except for the blue and black. The exact same as this one, guys. So instead of the old Cobalt had 1,800 inch-pounds of torque, this has 2,000 inch-pounds of torque, supposedly. On paper it does, but I know the Milwaukee will still beat this, probably. Where this one has 3,000 RPMs, and I want to say it was 2,500 inch-pounds of torque, if I remember correctly from last time I looked it up. I can tell you right now that the Ridgid is warmer than the Skil. Not by much. A little bit. Ooh, the front is pretty warm. This isn't warm at all. This is probably around 100 degrees. All right, guys, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I always try to get back to you. What else? Thank you for everybody that left all the comments. A little thing came up, and I didn't have cash on hand to deal with it, so I thought I was gonna have to sell a bunch of stuff, and it turns out I didn't. Everything's fine. The channel's not going anywhere. You guys can't get rid of me that easily. What happened is my truck, the engine pretty much went kaput. So it was either fork out $5 grand for a new engine or just buy a new used pickup. And I went and I bought a new used pickup. I got a 2010 Dodge Ram. It's freaking awesome. I'll show you later on. It's just the way it is. Yeah, so thanks for all the well wishes, guys. I appreciate it. You guys are freaking awesome. Best freaking audience, subscribers, friends out there on the internet. All right, guys, until next time, have a blessed day. See ya.